विद्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, two-way video conferencing, all the Tanidars, Kotaris, Mahans, Sri Mahans. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Houston, Kalahasti, Nityananda University, Los Angeles, Kuala Lumpur, Parani, Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai, Nityananda Nagaram, Hyderabad, Ohio, Prayag, San Jose, Madurai, Seattle, Chidambaram, Singapore, Singapuram, Toronto, Kailasam, Vancouver, Bhubaneswar, Tune Moon, Hong Kong, High Point, North Carolina, Tallahassee, Florida, Warrington, UK, Belgium, Germany, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, Ohio, Ma Shivananda, Port Washington, New York, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Melbourne, Australia, Nityananda University, Paris, Jnaneshwar, Nepal, Oman, Sivagangai, Philadelphia, Kathmandu, Nepal, Vancouver, Canada, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Toronto, Kailasam. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today I wanted to expand on self-drive. Understand, yesterday I ran a special meditation for all the Kotaris, Mahans and Sri Mahans, and a special completion session. Today I wanted all the devotees all over the world to have the benefit of this completion process. First thing, find out what stopped your self-drive. Please understand, by your nature, when you are born with your highest peak possible self-drive. That is why you see the kids, with no purpose they are driven so much. Just they jump here and there and run, and whole day they are active, alive. Even when they are sleeping, they are not powerless or tired. They don't sleep out of tiredness or powerlessness. They don't sleep out of tiredness or powerlessness. Even while they are sleeping, they are not tired or powerless. So understand, you are born with high self-drive. Where it has gone? Look in. What all started stopping your self-drive? What all has started reducing your self-drive? What all has started cutting down your self-drive? It can be as simple as your elder sister taking more marks in the school, or as complicated as some sexual abuse. It can vary from anything to anything. But there is a reason why your self-drive has been curtailed. Please understand, just like dams stop the river flow, patterns stop the self-drive. As I said, it can be as simple as your brother or sister has taken more mark, to as difficult as complicated as sexual abuse. All of you need to know whether you use your body or you abuse others' body before the age of 21, it will stop your self-drive. It will become patterns and patterns and patterns. 21 may seem to be too long, that you have to wait. But unless your mind is also prepared to handle body being used before 21 or abused, if you yourself use your body for your own pleasure, that is what I call using your body. If somebody else uses your body for their pleasure, it is abusal. Do not allow before 21 use or abuse. Patterns built in the young age may be the reason for self-drive being stopped. Now, today, let us all spend a little time to dig out what are the patterns which stopped your enthusiasm, excitement, self-drive from the time you remember you, from the time you know you. What all the incidents, what all the happenings stopped your self-drive? Look in. I'll guide you into that process today, step by step. So now the first step, take the paper and pen, listen to yourself. What all is the patterns or reasons, causes you think your self-drive has been reduced? Anything happened from your birth till the last moment which stops your self-drive? Reason for reduction in your self-drive, the pattern which stops your self-drive, pen down. Start penning down. Try to find all the root incidents from which these patterns got developed or strengthened. Sometimes the pattern may not develop from an incident, but it will get strengthened. Your decision not to be self-driven will be strengthened by some incidents. Pen down even those incidents. Like you have done something out of self-drive and it has not been recognized. It has been thrown into the dustbin. Even those incidents, pen down. Shivoham, Shivoham. all these patterns, you can either use the mirror or your inner space. Relive and relieve. Relive and relieve. Come to the clear decision. Self-drive will be my lifestyle. Self-drive from the right context will be my lifestyle.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா. அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம். அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாம் ஒரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாம் அவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலம் எனவே.
I bless you all to be complete with all the patterns which is stopping your self-drive, anti-self-drive patterns, and achieve complete peak possible self-drive. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠಂ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ರೋಡ್ ಬಿಡದಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 08027279999 www.nityananda.org www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation